notify you guys in a last minute turn of events. I am actually going to be getting my clutch warranted here at a local Subaru dealership. Shout out to one of my friends here. And yeah, we're just going to drop it off in here. It's going to save me a ton of money, and I can put some of that money towards more parts like shocks, things I really want, some Bilsteins I've been looking at, some other small mods. So yeah, we're going to rock the stock clutch for a minute and see how it goes. So we're starting a new project for the Rex, and it's not one you would think about, but it makes a huge difference in your everyday life when you're working on the car and trying to, do mods to your car, and that is clean out your garage. I'm gonna completely redo this thing. It's buck nasty. It's time to get to makeover. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. Everything stark white epoxy floors, everything white. It's just what I'm feeling. Get rid of that. Maybe a couple of the shelving. I already took off a bunch of stuff that was on the ceiling. I'm gonna have to fill in all these holes. There's probably hundreds of holes from previous owners in here. White floors, I think is gonna look sick. So yeah, that's the work. I'm gonna start removing this and get to it. Okay, it's the next morning. I spent several hours last night putting, filling in a bunch of holes in the garage walls. There's tons more. I'm gonna show you the work I've done. But right now, this is the danger zone. Check this out. A freaking mess. We've got car parts galore. One of my friend's STI mid pipes. Random things. Hella sound skins. Bike rack. Summers, which I can't put on until May because it's probably gonna snow again here in Colorado. So yeah, there's a lot of things I want to throw away and sort through. And that's to me one of the huge benefits of doing a project like this is I'm gonna be able to actually clean out my garage completely. It tends to be a place where people store a lot of their crap, and I just want it to be organized, clean, readily available to find anything that I'm looking for. And yeah, just a good, nice home space for the Rex. So that's what I'm working on. So let's jump in the garage and I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so legit, all my tools are in 3 boxes. I intend on getting a toolbox, swear, because I just can't work like this anymore. You start to see a lot of the patchwork I've done. And this garage, when we moved in this place last year, it was just a mess. And yeah, I really intend to get this place cleaned up. I even did the ceilings. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. I'm gonna continue doing that today. Still have a lot more to go. I'm thinking of getting rid of maybe a few of the shelves and getting some nice, more professional shelving in here. We'll see how it goes, but I'm gonna continue the patchwork, get all that set up, prep for painting, do more of the ceiling. Lots of work to do. So yeah, I better get to it. This is the most time-consuming mod I've done yet. Everything's cut. The shelves are a pita. I should have took out more shelves, but we wanted to keep some of them. But everything's cut. I'm gonna do the first coat now. And do the doors too. What a mess. The acid kind of wash, I need to get some more of it. It's just, it gets a really good portion of it, but it just can't, even scrubbing and everything. I almost got it all. I got a big wet spot, but yeah, I'm gonna jump to the walls and we'll worry about the floor last. Yo, just an update. So we are at stage 1 here. Got ceiling painted, walls painted, but it's only the first coat. We still have one more coat to do. I just want to show you guys some of the quick work. So it's not perfect. Still got some stuff to do. You can still see some of the lines of the drywall, or I don't know. That's just, I'm not a painter and I'm not a drywall person, but this place was beat up. But we still got a lot more work to do in the garage, and yeah, just building the Rex a new home. So that's what's happening. Status update is, yeah, it's next week. It's a Tuesday, so yeah, it's taking some time, guys. Anyways, thanks for sticking around. Let's keep going. Okay, everything has 2 coats on it. Letting it dry, gonna do a clear epoxy on top of this white base. Yeah, everything's coming along. Still have some work to do. Got to paint underneath the shelves. I took all the shelves on this side off. Got all the concrete. It's a lot of work, guys. It really is a lot of work. But it's gonna look clean and fresh, and yeah, hopefully the car loves it. So I'm sorting everything out. Got a bunch of tools that I'm moving into this mod, which is awesome. This is saving my life. I'm gonna get everything nice and organized. It's freaking awesome. But I'm gonna mod this up real quick. A bunch of stickers I got. Check it out. So I have all these stickers. I'm just saving up parts, mods, pairing stuff. So I'm gonna throw it on there and just give it a little personality. So for those of you guys who don't know me and how I am with my car, I like things super clean, so I don't put any stickers on my car. So this is really cool to be able to actually deck this thing out and put some stickers on it. It's cool because I just have a bunch of them saved up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and let's see how it turns out. So I've cleared this section out. Let's just get a final walkthrough for you guys. All the shelves are white. Epoxy floor is white, which I noticed dust gets everywhere now, and dirt, you can see it. Took the shelves off this wall. And yeah, I'm just organizing still. So I've got a much better spot here. I love how the sticker mod came out. And let me show you something really cool. I've got the Grimspeed sticker here with the Rally Gear sticker here that they sent me. I think it's pretty cool. Okay, so the garage mod's done. Ready to do the next season of mods on this car. I've almost had the 2018 a full year, so I'll be doing a 1-year video pretty soon, here in the next 6 weeks on it. Some quick updates. If you guys have been following my Instagram, you know that I got a new clutch warranted on the vehicle. I had a South Bend Stage 3 daily clutch on back order. It's gonna take 4 weeks to fulfill from Rally Sport Direct, and talked to somebody at a dealer who really gave me an awesome deal and was just like, yeah, we'll warranty for you. And I mean, I can't turn that down, guys. I just can't. Financially, I could be putting that money towards shocks or some other mods and just things in my daily life, you know, to enjoy my life. So the car is at almost 300 miles on the new clutch. And yeah, it's soft, it's stock clutch, and I'm just babying it around. So I'm gonna baby it around for the next 1,200, 1,500 miles, and then ease into boost. I'm gonna take my time with the car and be a lot more gentle with it this round on the clutch. And if this clutch goes, then we'll be upgrading it for sure to a Stage 3 clutch. So that is the update on the clutch. So other than that, the car's been great. Still really digging the black mirrors. I think that is a keeper. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go back to my satin chrome JDM ones that I had. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This was a quick video. I know I haven't made any videos in the last 3 weeks, but I have been studying. I've got a real estate exam coming up, and yeah, I'm looking to change my life by design and really start some great things for my life and my future and the future of this channel. So a lot of that is dependent on where I take my life, financially, education, and yeah, my career. So that's the quick update on that. So stay tuned here. I've got a lot of more mods coming up. Really cool things going into the WRX soon. I've got some more SoundSkin stuff on the way. They sent me some speaker rings. Check out their page at SoundSkins. I'll drop the link down below to the YouTube. They got really cool videos on there, DIYs, and great explanations on what their products do. So keep it tuned here, guys. I'll be doing more videos very soon. Please drop some comments down below. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you all next week. Have a great weekend. Peace out.
Enjoy the light show.
Swinging the night away.